Hey guys, what is going on? Today we're going to have a brand new camera unboxing that's going to be done on this channel. So you're going to see a massive video quality increase here in the next couple of videos. I think I already have 2 videos that are already done with the current camera I'm using right now. It's just a regular Sony point and shoot type camera. But after that you're going to see a massive jump up. My box just came in today with a camera. It's a bit of my Christmas present. I got a bunch of money for it. What I did is I went ahead and picked up the Sony a6500. So we'll do a quick unboxing of it. I'm no camera pro, I'm no photography pro or anything like that, but what I can tell you is I've seen enough reviews on this and enough of my actual subscribers commented on my Facebook group and saying that it is an amazing camera. They use it for professional work all the time, so it was a really good deal. I think it was right at $1,300, something like that. This is not a cheap camera, but it can record in full 4K at 30 frames per second. Maybe not 60 frames per second, but it will do 1080p at 60 frames. But I was like, you know what? We'll play around with it, either go with 4K or 1080p at full 60 frames per second. I don't know. I'm just ready to upgrade my camera quality. And the next thing after this, I'll be purchasing a boom style mic from Rode or one of those lavalier whatchamacallit, wireless ones. But those are like $300 and something. So it is a bit expensive, so I'm doing one thing at a time right now. I also picked up a 64 gigabyte SanDisk Extreme Pro right here with it. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and bring the camera in close, show it top down if we can. We'll do a quick unboxing on this. So like I said, I'm no pro on it, but we should have a lot more fun, and I hope you guys really do like the video increase in quality that it will give you. So here we go, let's cut it open. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and show you everything the way it is. Actually, Sony a6500. I'll show you the sides. I'm sure it really doesn't matter to you guys. If you really are serious about this kind of stuff, you'll get it yourself. I just got the basic lens that comes with it. I don't really need a telescopic or any of those kind of wild lenses. I'm going to be recording from about, what, 15 to 20 feet away, very max, so I didn't need anything more. I mean, like I said, I'm just doing this as a hobby, just like my channel. Detailing is a hobby for me. I don't do it as a professional job. I think for me, if I actually had to open my own detailing business, then it wouldn't be as fun for me anymore. And I think that to me would be a way for me to just kind of ruin the channel, and I just can't do that. I know there's a lot of good channels out there that do this for a living, but I have my own job, so that's why I don't do it. Here we go. Try and get into this thing. I picked it up off Amazon, just letting you guys know. Like I said, I want to say it was $1,298, so it wasn't cheap by any stretch of the imagination. So as you can see, there's 2 boxes inside. Obviously, this is the main camera itself, and then the second box is actually the lens. You can hear my son downstairs, by the way, if you hear him. He's going crazy downstairs. So here's the actual box itself. Let's go ahead and show the camera. Get to the good stuff real quick. Hopefully you guys can see it all. Bunch of junk in here, obviously nobody cares about. More stuff nobody cares about. More stuff nobody cares about. My God, Sony. Lord have mercy on this sucker. Alright, let's just show you the accessories that come with it. Obviously there's your actual strap, charger, battery. I did buy 2 extra batteries, by the way. They're already charged, they came in early. Plug and all that fun stuff. Here comes my son, by the way, so he might show up on camera here in a second, and it should be pretty fun. And here's what we all came to see, is the actual camera itself. So hopefully you guys can see it there. This has actually got a little bit of weight to it. I can definitely feel significant compared to the actual point and shoot camera up there. This is really significant. Oh, here's my son. He's up here now, so you might see him in the camera, and he might actually jiggle around the actual tripod. So there you go. This should be a lot of fun here. There you go. He's even interested in what's going on. It's a lot of fun having a kid, I tell you what. It has hurt me being able to put out as many videos as I want per week, but it's all good. Now he's trying to climb up there with me. You can see. So it should be a lot of fun, and then I'll show you this over here. Alright, stay away from the knife, buddy. Stay away from the knife. He's not talking yet, but this is all good. More, my God, just to get a lens, it's just like so much stuff in here. Here's the lens right here. My son is a blast. Here you go. Wow. Ooh. Wow, exactly. Wow. And here we go, I guess. Like I said, I want to play around with this myself and figure out how it actually goes on there good. So, well, there you go, guys. Like I said, I'll figure it out on my own real quick here. My son's going to have fun otherwise with it. Anyways, you should see a massive increase in quality on this sucker. I heard amazing things about it, so We'll have fun. We'll try it out here maybe the next couple of videos and go from there. So this is my little bit of a Christmas present, and ready to go ahead and have some fun with it. I hope you guys like it. I really do hope you guys enjoy the video quality once I start using it. So I'll see you then. Let's do a little bit of some 4K testing right here. Look how nasty the car is. The poor Prelude got rained on so bad today from this cold weather storm we're getting. So I really want to try out 4K and let you guys actually see it and see if it makes any difference or not. I'm trying to move around a little bit, take some different angles. This will only be up on my little Facebook group right here. Just got the camera in yesterday, just messing with some settings and stuff like that, and letting you see some stuff right now. Hopefully it'll, you know how YouTube downgrades video quality so bad, even if I upload it full 4K, it'll just downgrade the mess out of it. Yeah, this is pretty good. Let me walk my way around the back of the car where we get some sunshine. We can see it. Here we go, let's try the back deck. Feel it's still windy out here today. And we'll try one more back section here. Just kind of give you guys a good idea. And there you go. Like I said, this will only be posted up on Facebook. I'm going to leave the video set to unlisted so that way nobody sees it. And just do this as a setting. But this way you guys can see what the new camera actually looks like. And you guys can tell me what you think about it. I do plan on getting a new external microphone for it, whether it's a lavalier mic or just a shotgun boom mic from Rode. I don't know yet. We'll see. This is all going to be in the testing fit situation. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like that 4K? How's that look, Nathan? Yeah? My first time you actually trying to use it. What do you think? You a crazy boy. You're a crazy guy. You're a crazy guy for camera. Alright, say bye-bye to the people out there on YouTube. Say bye-bye. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, we gotta go. Bye.